Hello, my name is Leonardo and I'm from MaximoCon. On this video, I'm gonna show you how the routes application work. In order to do that, let's go to the planning module and the routes application. Here we have a few records from the Bedford site, which is from the MaxDemo database. Let me go through each one of these records to explain you how the routes work. Basically, a route is a way of providing maintenance in a sequence. You can have a sequence of child work orders, multi-asset, or work order tasks. In this case here, we have work order tasks, maintenance, a quarterly pump service maintenance. So we have three assets here with no job plans that can be maintained in a sequence of tasks. Next, we have the inspect PC workstations that will create child work orders instead of work order tasks. And this is the inspection of fire extinguishers. In that case, we have entries in the work order multi-asset location NCI table, which is the linear asset table that you can maintain in a single work order. For this video, we will be using the key pumps record. And basically, we have two main ways of creating root work orders. The first one, and I think the most used, is through the Preventive Maintenance application. We can quickly create a new record here. Pump maintenance. And let's put our root here. Saving my record. Changing the status to active. I will not work with frequency here. You can check out the video about time-based frequency that is in the channel. This is not the goal of this video, so I'm just going to generate work orders without the frequency criteria, just to see how the routes work. So we have the work order 1209 created and three tasks, one per pump, that we can check in the work order tracking application. And here we can search 1209, which is our pump maintenance. This is the PM. In the plants tab, we have three tasks, which contains all of our three pumps. Let's say that I used the other one with child work orders, it would be here. And if I used the one with multi-asset, the assets would be here in the multiple assets. So that's it. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, please add a comment below, call us or send us an email. It will be my pleasure to help. Thank you for watching and see you later.